Scalable Capital versus Trading 212. Scalable Capital and Trading to 1. 2 are both investment platforms, but they offer different services and cater to different types of investors. Scalable Capital focuses on digital wealth management and provides a robo-advisory service. It creates and manages diversified investment portfolios based on an individual's risk profile and financial goals. Scalable Capital uses technology to automate portfolio management, including features like automated rebalancing and personalized investment advice. On the other hand, as a trading platform that offers commission-free trading in stocks, ETFs and cryptocurrencies, it provides a user-friendly interface for executing trades and includes features like fractional shares, real-time market data, and various trading tools, offering both a trading account and an investment account with features like a demo account for practice. Thanks for watching.